Hi guys, currency games here. Today was FOMC. Remember I told you for the rest of the week I'm not taking any trades because of stuff like this. Even though this happened out of session, it is still not a time period worth trading in my opinion. Just take a breather, take a step aside from the markets and just study how liquidity plays out, how where price draws to, and where price goes from that draw. So today in the H4, you can see that H12 high as well. You can see, yeah, it's a H12 high here. We took that out, and bearing in mind that everything here is in hindsight. Like on weeks like this, all that needs to be done is a study on price. You don't need to be entering trades. Just study price, man. See where we came to, see what we do, just study it. Okay. So as you can see, we took out this high here, the buy side liquidity resting up here, and we went lower. I did originally have this order block here marked out, but buys were still correct. It's just that we took out the high up here. This daily order block here that we were watching out for, you can see we've pretty much broken past it. We do have a fair value gap down here that we're possibly drawing to as well. I was discussing this earlier on in the week as a possible draw, and it looks like that fair value gap will get fulfilled by the end of the week. Again, in the session today, nothing really for me to bother myself with. Again, like it was just, I wasn't trading at all. I wasn't really keeping my eye on the chart today either, to be frankly honest with you. But again, let me get rid of that session indicator. Down here will be a good possible draw for the to come towards the end of the week. And it looks like this daily order block's gonna get violated. I'm still gonna keep it marked out just in case we do have a mad reaction, because again it's FOMC, it's NFP week. We never know what could happen, to be fair. But this is my main draw still on EURUSD. Coming to Eurgbp, why does it do this with price? It irritates me. Anyway, yesterday we were talking about this fair value gap resting just here and how it could possibly hold, and as you can see, we've actually pushed up from it, which is quite interesting. We are still trading in this H4 order block here. We have taken our buy side here. As I said, look how choppy it is this week, man. Look at the chop, like look at it, man. It's just not worth it. Like it's just pure choppiness, man. It's just not something I need to be in this week as well. Like the probability is just not in your favor. Again, look at EU. EU doesn't look as choppy, but still, look at the erratic price action we're getting. But again, for EG, I don't right now. I would have wanted this order block to hold. I still want this order block to hold, and if we do take out this high here and see an M1 break the structure, we could be looking to still attack this fair value gap for the weekly that we've been having our eyes on for a while. Again, guys, I'm not trading at all, so it's just a study on liquidity these times of the week. What I'm gonna do as well, these days where I don't trade, I probably just prefer to collect statistics on my plan, on my trading plan, instead of risking more money in these markets. I'd rather spend that time just back testing my plan, reviewing previous week's trading, seeing what I could have improved on, do some psychology work, you know, just like you know what it is. I like to use look at trading like a sport, and footballers do a lot of work on the pitch, but they also take time to rest. That rest is very important. Trading, you can get stuck into a routine of being trading every single day, and you don't take a week off just to see what's gone on, or a couple of days off. And it's good just to take a couple of days off and evaluate where you're at and where you're at with your psychology. And your model's not going anywhere. Like it's gonna come next week. It's gonna come the week after that. Like understand that and just take time away from the chart just to process what you've done and how you can improve. Okay, but hey guys, this week the daily logs is going to be short and sweet because I'm not really looking at price or paying attention to what price is doing at the moment. Until next week is when we'll get back into it in-depth analysis. But yeah, guys, I don't want to promote anyone trade. That's why I'm trying not to go too in depth about what I think is gonna happen. But yeah, until tomorrow, guys. Good luck, and as he says, good trading.